One of the biggest challenges in running an e-commerce website is setting up bulk product discounts. It is so time consuming, and the regular WooCommerce plugin offers basic features. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step process of how you can set up and manage bulk product discounts. One, I'm going to show you how to create product-based discounts. I'm going to show you how to add cart discounts. I'm going to show you how to offer free shipping if someone buys products that exceed a certain cart threshold. I'm going to show you what happens if you want to discount a bulk product purchase. I'm going to show you how you can bundle products and offer discounts on them. Then I'm also going to show you how to set up a buy one and get one campaign. So first things first, I have a website here with some demo products. Okay, so let's see. I think I'll be using these two products as my demo products for this tutorial. Okay, so we have a t-shirt right here, and we have another product right here, which is a body cleanser, something like that. I know it's not related, but you guys will understand the concept. So now the first thing we need to do actually is to install a plugin. Okay, so head over to your dashboard, and once you're there, on your left hand side, scroll down up to where you find plugins and click on add new plugin. Now, the plugin you're going to be using is called Disco. So search for Disco right here. So this is a plugin right here. Disco Dynamic Discount Plugin for WooCommerce. Click on install and activate it right now. So this is a free plugin that has a premium subscription also, but I feel that the free plugin is basically good enough for you to get started. So the first thing you will see on your left hand side is Disco is right here. So you can click and open it up. So Disco has what they call discount campaigns. So if you click on create a discount, yeah, and let's say probably you want to discount certain products, or we can apply a general discount on all our products. Okay, so let's go in here. Probably let's assume it's a Black Friday. So I'll type in Black Friday, and what I'll do, I'll click on product. So right now under the product filters, you can see that you can apply this 10% discount. Actually, I'll add it right here. You can apply it on all products or only on a few products. Yeah. So if we are to maybe select this short sleeve t-shirt, and it's the only product that we want to apply the discount to, we can easily do that. Okay, so it's right here. We can select it. We can say maybe the first 500 people to use or to buy this product will get the discount. Now I can set up some start and end dates just like this, and I can offer a discount value. For example, there are two options here. I can offer a fixed value, which is probably, if I want to offer $5 off, which is okay, or 10, but in most cases you'll be using percentages. So maybe I want to offer a 10% discount off. Once I'm done, I can only click save right here, and the campaign is created. So if you go back to the Discord dashboard by clicking right here, you will see that the campaign is live. Now, when you refresh this page, you will see that the discount is now applied. However, on this other product, the discount is not applied. So to apply the discount to the entire store, if I'm to open it up like this, what we would have to do is to go back to Disco, open up this campaign, and change it to all products. Okay, then if we click update, we can literally come and update this product, and we'll see that it's discounted. And probably if we update even these and open up, for example, this right here, we can see that it's also discounted. So that is what they call a product discount. But what happens if you have some products in the cart, but you want to apply the discount on the cart itself? For example, if someone spends, let's say $100, maybe you want to give them 20% off. Okay, so to do that, okay, I'll come back to the Disco dashboard right here, and I'll turn off this product based discount, and I'll click on create campaign. Maybe I'll call this the cart 10%. Maybe let's offer them maybe 20% off. Yeah, and what we can do is select the cart, and we can apply it on few products or all products, but for the case of simplicity, let's apply it on all products. Always remember to set your sale dates and the end dates. Yeah, and we want to offer a percentage discount, let's say of 20% off. Okay, maybe the deal we are offering is a Black Friday deal, Black Friday, something like that. Okay, so we can click on save. Now watch this. So if I come to this page right here and probably come to view cart, you will see that now we are getting our 20% off discount. Okay, so maybe to be more clear in your setup on this note, maybe we can say 20% so that your clients can actually know how much they're getting, because it's not easy to compute right here. So if we refresh that, you would see that they're getting 20% off from their purchase in the cart. All right, so we go back to Disco. Let's say you want to apply some conditions. Maybe this is too simple and you want to apply some conditions. So all you have to do is to click on condition and select the filter. Okay, so maybe if you go to the cart, and if the subtotal is maybe greater than let's say $150, yeah, if someone buys products worth 150 or more, greater than, actually greater or equal, whatever the case is, give them a 20% discount. So if we update that and we refresh this cart, we will see that actually we are not getting any discounts. But what happens if we might be by, let's say, 7 shirts? Okay, the moment we add 7 shirts to the cart and our subtotal exceeds the, what did we set it as, the $150, we get our Black Friday discount. I think you guys see how easy this is. Okay, so now I've showed you how to create these two types of discounts. But what happens if, let's say, someone buys, for example, products worth $200 and you want to offer them free shipping? Okay, here's what you do. You go back to the Disco dashboard, and what you do here, I'm going to first have to turn this off. Then I'm going to create a new campaign. Maybe I'll call it free shipping. All right, free shipping, Black Friday, maybe something like that. So I'm going to select shipping. Maybe I want to run this for a specific period of time. I'll just randomly select this, but now I have to add a condition. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll down up to where I find a cart, maybe subtotal. And if I find maybe that their purchase total or their cart total, subtotal is, let's say, more than 100, actually let's put that $70. Actually, let's do $100. Yeah. So for every order that's above 100 orders, we're going to offer free shipping, right? So let's click save and see what happens. So when we go back to our t-shirt right here and add it to the cart, okay, and we view the cart, you guys will see that there is no free shipping because the threshold we set is 100. Okay, the order is not above 100, so there is nothing like free shipping for this order. But what happens if we are to go back and let's say we remove this item, we go back to it, then probably let's add 10 shirts so that the order is above 100. So we can click on add to cart and we can click on view cart. Okay, so right now the order is 340 but still displaying flat rate. Now this is just an issue with my theme, okay, that I'm using right now. I've tested it with other themes and free shipping shows just fine. Okay, but when you click on proceed to checkout and scroll down, you'd find that the customer has an option for free shipping right here. Okay, so that's how basically free shipping works in this plugin. Okay, I hope that was clear. Then the next thing we wanted to look at are these downer options, the bulk bundle and buy one get one free. So still, when you go back to the Disco plugin dashboard, I want to turn the free shipping off and create another campaign. So this is bulk, so probably I'll just call it bulk for now. And by now you know how to set up the dates and everything. Let's say someone buys, let's say 2 shirts, yeah, and you want to offer them a discount. Okay, 2 shirts aren't really bulk, but let's say 10, and you want to offer them a discount. If someone probably buys, let's say maximum of 30, so 20 and 30, yeah, we can offer them a 30% discount off. Okay, so let's click save and see how that works. Now the campaign has been created, and what I need to do is if I have anything in the cart, I have to remove it. Okay, so let me just add one item to the cart and you guys see what's going on. Okay, so if the items are 1, even if they're 2, we're not getting any bulk discounts. But if we probably buy, let's say 12 pieces of t-shirts, you guys will see now that the discount of 30% has been applied. Okay, but what happens if the quantities exceed 20? Because we set it up as actually 30. Okay, because when you buy, let's say 50 items, and you notice the math that's going on right here, it's not applying the 30% discount. Again, yeah, it's only applying 30% on the first 30 quantities that you bought. Okay, so I hope that is not causing any confusion. So now that we have bulk out of the way, let's take a look at how bundled products work, because those are quite interesting. Now I'm going to turn this campaign off, then create a new one, and I'm going to call this a bundle campaign, something like that. I'm going to select bundle, earn the dates, yeah, right here. And what I'm going to do is that, let's say if someone is buying 3 shirts, yeah, I want to give them a discount of maybe 10%, yeah. So if I click save, yeah, so after updating this and we go back to the shirt and add it to the cart and we view the cart, you guys will see something interesting. And right now, if there's one product, we actually don't have any discounts, but when we make 3 products, you'll see that a discount is being applied, which discount is a 10% discount. Now notice this, if we add, let's say 6 products, we are only still getting a discount on the first 3 products. Okay, so there's a setting here that's called recursive. If I enable it, what that does, it means that for every 3 products we buy, we'll be getting a 10% discount. So let's see that in action. Let me refresh this card, and you will see that right now we are at a 10% discount, but if you add the 6th product, then we are getting a 20% discount. When we add the 7th product, the discount is not increasing. But when you add the 9th product, then the discount increases for every bundle that is being added to the cart. Okay, I think that was clear enough. But right now, what I want to show you is the buy one get one free. To activate this, you need the Pro plugin. Okay, so this is a landing page for the Disco plugin, and as you can see, before you make any purchase, please read through the free and pro features of this plugin. Then you can make a decision to buy this plugin. Now, before you buy this plugin, I want to mention that I have a very special discount coupon for you that you can apply on any of these subscription packages, and you'll get a 10% off discount. Okay, so right now, if you have one site, if you have 5 sites, depending on what your business needs are, you can select any of these. But for this demo tutorial, I'm going to select the one site, which is $70 every single year. And right here, I'm going to insert my email and my name. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to insert my discount coupon right here. So I've put this coupon down in the YouTube description, so you can just copy and paste it at your checkout stage. So I'm going to click apply coupon, and once it gets applied, you guys will see that right now I'm having a 10% discount off. Okay, so now I can proceed and finish up with my payment. And what you gotta do is you are gonna click on add plugin, yeah, right here, and you're gonna upload it. And mine, I've already downloaded it right here. So I'm gonna click on install now, and I show you guys how everything works. So activate the plugin, and that is done. So I'm gonna come back to Disco right here, and I'm gonna disable this bundle products, and I'm gonna create a new campaign that's called buy one get one free. So buy one get one free, I'm gonna select BOGO, I'm gonna select my dates. You guys are already familiar with this by now, but here's the logic. So you have buy one get one time, yeah. So what does buy X get X mean? Yeah, so if you had to go back, okay, and I want to clear this cart, so buy X means buy one of these shirts and get one of these shirts. Okay, but when you go back, you see some options of buy Y, buy X, get Y. Okay, so in that means that buy this shirt X and get this product Y. Okay, let me show you how that can easily be set up. So if you go back to the Disco plugin and we set up buy X get Y, yeah, now we can set a limit, yeah, maybe buy 2 shirts and get 1 free product, which is a cleanser right here. So if we buy 2 of these, so to do that, actually we're gonna go back here and actually select which products that they want to buy. You can set it up for all products as I've been doing, but for this tutorial, let me select the few products. So if I want to buy this, mind you, you can add as many products as you can on this list, yeah, and I've selected it. And if someone buys 2 of these t-shirts, they're gonna get this product right here. So let me copy this and just search for it right here, and there you go. Yep, and they can get 1 or 2, yeah, depending on your business model. But a discount type, I want them to take a free item. You can offer a discount on it or a fixed discount, but I want to give it out as a free item. Okay, and once I feel comfortable about the settings, I'm going to click on save. And what is going to happen is when I go back to the cart right here, hopefully nothing is in the cart, and I click on add to cart and I click on view cart, nothing is being added because we needed two quantities. As you can see in our setup right here, that every time someone buys two of these shirts right here, boom, they get an extra free product. Now, what happens when you turn off the recursive? Because if you add a third product, nothing is being added to your cart, okay? So I'll refresh this page and come back here. So recursive, what it does, if I turn it on and click on update, every time someone buys two shirts, they get a freebie, okay? So if I'm to update this, and if I'm to make them 3 products, nothing is going on. But if I make them 4 t-shirts, okay, and as you will see, I'll be getting 2 free products. Okay, so what the premium plugin does is that it unlocks all the premium features of the plugin. And as you guys noticed recently, this BOGO buy one get one free campaign type was only limited to premium or pro version users. So you can actually see that even these conditions, for example, if I wanted to add a condition, maybe if there was a certain sale price, or if the cart was at a given threshold, probably cart subtotal, all these features have been unlocked. So you can spend some time to build any kind of logic with these conditions so that you can apply your discounts and promotions more easily. So that's all I had for you guys. If you enjoyed the video, you can share it and like and subscribe to the channel, and catch you in the next video.